Hutch Pro Racer 24. It's the XL24. The profile retro cranks, Hutch pedals, the Sunlight Rhinos, rims, Pro Max brakes, Kashi Max Aero, Kuwahara seat post, Hutch seat clamp, got the Hutch pads, the bars, the Hutch neck with the star bolt, Hutch headset, Hutch plate, Hutch grips with the star donuts. Very difficult to get those. And of course, no retro 80s style BMX is complete without your dice. So yeah, we got our gear here. And yeah, I'm gonna take it out for the first ride right now. I built it from scratch, piece by piece, that I acquired from everywhere. And it's actually gonna get some dirt on the tires for the first time. So I'm calling it the Raptor. All right, let's see what she's got.